Hey folks, I'm HP and today we're going to celebrate Christmas with the song Feliz Navidad. I learned some Spanish, so I even can provide the proper lyrics, I hope so. This more or less, it's not about the singing, but I want to show it's more or less how it's going to play with chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Something like this. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Something like this. So we're gonna learn how to play the chords together with the lyrics. The melody is going to sound like this. Wow. Second part. And at the end, also improvisation. And so on. It's really cool. So let's check it out. Checking out the chords, I took the version of Jose Feliciano, and he's playing it in D. So it's, I mean, you can play through like starts with G, 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 G. You can take this G here. This is the one I use. Just press here in the third fret. This one can be pressed or not, but you only play till the B string by, because that's the top note of the melody. Or like this, and A, just A like this. Also here till the B string, and to D with the A in the bass. And this will be the top note. Why? Because the melody is around there. We should not go over the melody note in the strumming guitar. So the pattern is very simple. Strumming pattern is was one. We have 1, and on 2, I'm playing with finger picking here because it's more convenient for me, but you can also play with the pick. So down like, so 1, and then make that note on 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. On 4 again, you make that note 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then you already changed the chord, so on the upstroke, empty to A, to D5. You can damp the low E string here with the thumb if you want. If you want to go through the strumming like this. So we begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2 times D and 3 and 4 G. And then the second time or the third time, you really have to listen to the song. Instead of going to D, we're taking a B minor. This will be a barre here in the second fret here, ring finger, pinky on the fourth, and middle finger on the third. The strumming pattern always stays the same. Now we fill in the lyrics, so it starts D5, 1, Feliz Navi, Feliz, sorry, Feliz. I cannot do the rest properly. Feliz, 1, Feliz Navidad. A5, Feliz Navidad. I cannot really do the proper thing, it's not a singing lesson, I just want to show how it works around with the lyrics. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. And then here we go to B minor. And then the whole thing repeats itself, I think once or twice. And then comes the English part. But the chords are staying more or less the same. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a sorry for the bad singing. Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Or you can make B minor or D5 in this case. Sometimes in the original song it really alters more or less. You can also make a version like this, like so. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. The second bar, instead of twice D, you go to B minor. And then you go through the whole song. So these were the chords now. Now let's check the melody. First we need to learn where is it played. It's in D major, so this will be the scale which is played. We start here, and you also use that later for improvisation. Starting here, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 5th. So this is where the whole melody is played, and we're starting here. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So this is the melody. And then we stay here. 4, 5, 2, 4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So then the same melody comes again. And then ends up like this. You go in the 5th, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is how it works. Let's see how it works with the track. It's pretty simple. Same thing again. Yeah. Then comes the second part of the melody, the one where the lyrics are in English. Starting in the 2nd fret. I mean, you can play this on any guitar. It shouldn't be on an acoustic, but I thought because it's Jose Feliciano, I play on a Spanish guitar. 2nd fret, 5th, 3, 4, 3, 3. And then, second part of melody. 5, 5, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. So. back to the first again. And then comes the ending phrase. And here we go out of the pattern. 5, 5, 7, 5, 3. And that's the second part of the melody. Let's see it with the music. Yeah, so that was now the melody. So you can play either with you play with two guitars, somebody plays the rhythm, the other part plays the melody, or you sing the melody, or whatever. And if you play with two guitars, probably you want to play a solo. That's also cool. So let's quick give some ideas. So some licks which work here were pretty fun. Like something hammer and pull off. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 3. Slide up to 7. 5, 3, 7. And maybe to 5. 3, 2, 3, 5. Let's see how it works with the music. You can use this as an entry lick. You can work around melodic inside the scale. Something like this really works. Or you can work around the melody. So you, in between the breaks with the heads, you can fill it up with little licks inside this scale. Let's see how that works with the melody. It's also nice. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, folks, these are now 3 possibilities how you can play Feliz Navidad on the guitar, with singing, with playing the melody, also with playing the melody and making a little improvisation. However you want to do it, main thing is that you celebrate Christmas, and that's what it's about here. That's why we have green here, as green as the tree in your house or wherever, yeah. So that was about Feliz Navidad, and vámonos. Yeah, I totally forgot there's the tabs, and the backing track can be downloaded at HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Link is in the description. Follow me on Spotify, follow me on Facebook, or best to follow me in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, because that's the real place to go. And wish you all a Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Yeah, bye.